I'm Jay Parikh, and I work for SigmaRoc. We are a Lime-based M&A business. So prior to Adaptive, we were working completely in Excel. It was extremely challenging, especially in the month-end time when we will get files from 23 different businesses and it all gets aggregated at a regional level, at a group level, and then all the consolidation adjustments, everything was done in Excel. And now with the use of adaptive planning, it's all getting done in a centralized place, and it has helped immensely, especially with not having to worry about version control, saving a lot of time that was previously wasted in putting the numbers together, which is now used in analyzing the numbers. So IC team has been extremely helpful. The initial phase started with a scoping exercise which was quite detailed, and we were going to go ahead with both consolidation as well as planning, but then we decided that okay, we're going to focus more on a consolidation first. So we built the entire consolidation piece within Adaptive, and gradually now I'm kind of trained enough to start working on the planning piece and build it one piece at a time.